Okay, so under the assumption that you can put something into your computer and boot it because there are many variables there, I'm now going to start the tutorial on installing Arch with UEFI, encryption, and a minimal setup of KDE. Yep, cool. Okay, so first step, you're going to type user mod. There's a custom ISO in the description that'll allow you to follow along. User mod -a capital G, and then wheel, and then it's Archie. That's Archie. Cool. And then in all caps, editor equals nano. That's very important. Otherwise, doesn't work because dim sucks by sudo. I know I'm gonna get hate for saying that, but yeah. Okay, nano is actually usable. Okay, so you want to scroll down, you say wheel, you see here where it says wheel, no pass, delete that. Control X, Y, enter, and you want to go this system, CTL, start SDDM. That'll start SDDM. There isn't any password for this user, so you should just be able to press enter. Let me make sure that it detects everything. Might not actually have the drivers. Yeah, nope. No drivers for me. But I have the NVIDIA drivers and everything, so that's fine. Okay, so now here, the reason why I have this is so you can follow along with this tutorial in a browser window. If you want to. I won't be because I have it right up next to me, so I'm good. But yeah, you might want that. Okay, so first step, ping google.com. So ping -c5 of google.com. This checks to see if you have internet. I do, so I'm just gonna cancel that. Clear my screen. Cool. So now you want to run fdisk-l. Yeah. Fdisk. Not open. Oh wait, sorry. You want to run sudo su. It'll make you root. You can now clear the screen. And as root, you can run fdisk-l. You'll get the two drives. My drive is VDA. Yours will most likely be different. What I'm installing to, that's just an internal drive. You don't need to worry about it. But this is the drive you will be installing to, so you want to make sure that you memorize that. Anytime I type VDA, replace it with whatever yours is. It almost certainly will be different if you're installing on actual hardware. Okay, so now I'm going to do fdisk /dev/VDA. That brings me into fdisk. Cool. Now, since this is a blank disk and I want to wipe it, I'll do G. If not, you just go on to the next step, but I'm doing this. So that creates a new GDP partition table. Now, if you wanted to keep your thing, you don't type that. What you do type, though, is N. Just hit enter, and then hit enter on the default. And then here, you want to do plus 500M. So you press enter twice, and then 500M. That's for 500 megabytes. And then you want to do type, or T. You want to set it to type of 1, which is EFI system. Then you want to create another new. You want to press enter, do another plus 500 meg, and then you want to hit enter. And now you don't want to mess with that one. You want to make one last partition. That's N. You press enter, and then to make it use the rest of the disk, you press enter again. And then you want to change its type by pressing T. Change type to 30, which is partition. Sorry, you want to do the partition 3, and you want to do type 30. That'll change it to Linux LVM, which is what you need for the encryption. and then you want to type P, make sure that looks similar to mine, or if you have other partitions, make sure that they are still here if you want to keep them. And then you can do W for write. That'll write the partition table, and now you want to do fdisk-L again. You should see the 3 partitions there. That shows it was successful. Now you can clear your screen. Let's see. So now you want to do mkfs make file system dot fat dash fat 32 or f32 the capital f32 and then slash dev slash vda1 in my case, whatever the first 500 meg partition you made it was in your case. So if you had a partition already, you might do something like sta2, but I'm doing vda1. That should make it pretty quickly. You then want to do you then want to change this .bat to ext4, delete the f32, change this to the second 500 gig partition you made, or 500 meg partition you made, and hit enter. That'll create that. Cool. Now you want to clear your screen, and we're going to set up the encryption on the final disk, which would be crypt crypt setup. Crypt setup LUKS format with a capital F, no space, slash dev slash VBA, whatever the third partition you made was. Hit enter. You want to type yes in all caps. You will not be able to recover your data after you do this. You hit enter. Enter super secure password 1234 1234. Make sure you remember it. Give it a second to verify everything and create. So then you want to do crypt setup open, crypt setup open, dash type, LUKS slash dev slash SD slash VDA3, then give it a name of LVM. Hit enter your passphrase. 154, super secure, top secret. Then you want to create the actual volume. You want to physically set up the volume. So you want to do a pv create dash data data al alignment. Tried using tab to auto, whatever, didn't want to do that. Then slash dev slash mapper slash LVM. Successfully created. Physical volume. Cool. Then you want to VG create. That's volume group create. Vol group 0. Vol group 0 slash dev slash mapper slash LVM. That'll create the logical group, or that'll create the volume group. Now you want to create a logical volume. So LV create dash capital L. This will be your root partition, and this is where all of your programs get stored, though your actual data would get stored in your home partition, which is what we're going to make after this. I'd recommend 40 to 60 gigs because whenever I set mine up with 30, and I already have like only 2 left. And I haven't used my computer for that long, so I'd honestly recommend going around 40 to 60 gigs for that. So it all depends on what you want to download and what you do with your computer. If you only have like OBS and all you do is record video, you don't do anything else, you just like record video using OBS and like a webcam or whatever, and you're saving like 8K video, then you can make your root partition tiny and your main partition most of your drive. It really depends because all of your data, so like any videos or photos you take, would get stored on your home directory. But yeah, I'm making this one, so dash n lv underscore root. So this will create your root directory. That's right. LV root created. Cool. So now you want to go back up. Replace this with a lowercase l. Replace this with 100% free. So whatever remains goes to that, and then you can do lv underscore home. That creates lv underscore home. Cool. So now we have to make a couple directories. mk make dir slash mnt slash boot slash mnt slash boot. Cool. Now you want to mount slash dev slash sda, wait no, vda2 for me, vda2 slash mnt slash boot. Yep, mount that. mkfs dot ext4. Mount is essentially just saying where a drive is. So that's what I was doing there. I was telling it this drive is now here in the folder structure. Vol group 0 slash lv underscore home. Is that set up right? mkfs. Right. Yeah, right after mounting. Okay, cool. lv home. This will take a second. Okay, cool. So lv underscore home. Now you can clear. You want to make dir slash mnt slash etc. Cool. Slash mnt slash etc is created. Now you can. Did I not ever mount root? Yeah, I probably should just make sure I did that. Mount slash dev slash vol group 0 slash lv underscore root. Oh wait, no, I need to first make it a file system. Dumbass. mkfs lv underscore root. Yep, nope, I did not do that. Okay. So root. Now I need to actually mount, yeah, where's the LV home? I didn't even mount, did I mount home? Huh. Yeah, no, I need to, I forgot to do a little couple things. Okay, let's see, so I just created ball group 0, which is root. Now I can mount, slash dev slash ball group 0 slash lv underscore root. And I want to mount that slash mnt. Cool. So I just mounted that. Now I can mk maker slash slash mnt slash boot slash mnt slash boot. Now I can mount slash dev slash sda2, vda2 slash mnt slash boot. Okay, so I just mounted vda2. Now I believe I already made lv home. Yeah, I already made lv home. I just need to mount it. So I need to make dir slash mnt slash home. Okay, cool. I just made slash mnt slash home. Now I need to mount. I need to mount slash dev slash vol group 0 slash dev slash vol group 0 slash lv underscore home 2 slash mnt slash home. Okay, cool. I just mounted that. Now let's see if I can actually do this properly. Where I fell apart last time. Gen fs tab dash u dash p slash mnt greater than slash mnt slash etc slash fs tab. God damn it. cd forward slash list it. Did I make etc there again? cd etc. I'm guessing I have folders here like home and yeah. Oh wait, no, I need a cd to mnt cd dot slash mnt ls boot home lost found. I did stuff directly to mnt. Slash mnt. Oh no, I was supposed to do this. I just forgot to make dir slash mnt slash etc. So mk make dir slash mnt slash etc. Okay, I fixed it. Cool. So now I can do the gen fs tab command where gen fs tab. Cool. Now I need to cat slash mnt slash etc slash fs tab. This will make you look at the fs tab file. Cool. Vol mapper. The root mapper is at the root, BDA2 is at the boot, and LV home is at the home. Okay, cool. That looks exactly how it should, so I'll just cd back there. Clear. Okay, so that's good. So now we can install the base packages. So that is pack wrap packstrap -i slash mnt base. This will install all the base packages. Yep, do it. Hitting, whenever the Y is capital, that means that hitting enter will default to that. Yep, that's what that means. Anything else important I should say? Oh yeah, there's really no limit to the amount of ways you can screw this up, but also remember, you won't actually ever break anything, like physically, with your hardware. Worst case, you've wasted your time. You might lose some data if you want to make sure, like if you're moving from Windows or from a different version of Linux, if you want to be safe, I'd highly recommend backing up all of your data on all your drives off of that computer, or just have only the drive that you want to install Linux on, and make sure that that drive is entirely blank, because I actually had a mistake where I typed the wrong thing and it broke. We can clear here. Now we're going to change root into it. So arch-ch root arch.chroot /mnt. Now we are in our actual Linux thing. Now there are a couple things I'd recommend installing, even for a base install. Pacman. To install stuff, you do pacman -S. I'd recommend installing my kernel because we need to do that. So Linux -LTS. I'd also recommend installing Linux. I'd recommend installing both versions of the kernel. And then I'd also want to do Linux -headers Linux -headers LT -LTS Linux, not Linus, Linux, and headers LTS, nano base -devel, which is base development. I'd also recommend installing, we already installed base actually. So yeah, base devel, open SSH if you ever want to SSH into the box. Yeah, network manager, WAP underscore. So if you think you're ever going to use wireless, or if you don't think you're ever going to use wireless at all, you will never use wireless. You don't need to install these, or you don't need to install WAP supplicant wireless tools. Yeah, you don't have to install net supplicant or wireless tools. Supplicant and wireless underscore tools, netctl, dialog, lvm2, and then we can use all defaults here. Let's see, LTS headers, piano, base devel, SSH, network manager, WAP, wireless tools, netctl, dialog, lvm2. Okay. Again, I can't spell right now. Or I can spell is what I meant to say. suppli. Can't. I don't think we have to update Pac-Man. Yeah. So, Pac-Man dash sy. No, it says that all the packages are up to date. Linux headers LTS. Why does it say it can't get headers? Oh, it's Linux LTS headers. Okay, that one is my mistake. It's Linux LTS headers. Dash LTS. So Linux dash LTS headers, and now wireless tools is, I probably spelled wire wrong. WIER, no. Less underscore TOOLS. Wireless hyphen tools. Arch repo should have it. Yep. Definitely should be there. Oh wait, no, WAP supplicant. Not even complaining about that. It's complaining about WAP underscore and WAP supplicant arch repo. Did I? Okay. It's PA. Okay. I'm a dumbass. PA. Supplicant. Cool. You can do all defaults. Yeah, you can do all defaults. Okay, cool. Okay, anything else important? Yeah. So basically, whenever you install this, just remove all drives that you can, and be very careful when putting stuff in. While your data is recoverable, it can cost significant time, money, and headache, and you might not even get your data back usefully. Like, I paid for data recovery, I made a mistake. I paid for data recovery software. It couldn't recreate the folder structure, because by that point the folder structure had been lost, which means that essentially that data was useless, because if it's not in the proper folders, then kind of hard to tell what's what. So I probably could have paid some like actual person to look at it. I didn't feel like doing that. How long has this recording gone on for? 24 minutes. Okay. Now hopefully I can get it done a bit quicker than this. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, we're still installing Arch, okay. The next steps will be enabling SSH, setting up some basic stuff. Actually enabling network manager. Yeah, making sure that it knows that we actually have the kernel modules. Basic stuff. Yeah. So, hopefully I'm able to do all that quick enough. Yeah. Worst case, just have to do it tomorrow because it's starting to get a bit late. And I have school tomorrow, so yeah, fun. Exactly what I was thinking. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna have this be a multi-part thing. I'm going to get to the point where we have grub and you can reboot. And I'm gonna have the what I recommend. Okay, so system ctl enable hd, cool. Then enable network manager with NNM being failed. Net network manager again. Can't type. So then I need nano slash etsy slash mk init dpio x dpio dot on. Cool. Now you need to find the first time that hooks is mentioned, or the first time that hooks is uncommented, uncommented hooks. Now between block and file system, add encry encrypt and lvm2, and then you can press Control X, Y, Enter, and then you can do mk init dpio dash p Linux. Then we're just gonna have to do the same thing again for Linux LTS, encrypt and LVM2 are there. Good. Okay, so Linux LTS. Yep. Again, this is helpful for you because you could go on to Firefox and follow this tutorial there, which you probably are doing. Let's see. So nano slash etc slash locale.gen. Now uncomment your location. I will be enus, enus, which is right here, enus utf8. Control X, Y, Enter. You can look yours up on the wiki, or you can just, look. Now you want to run locale-gen. That'll generate the locales. And now I'm just gonna clear the screen again. Pass WD. This will set your root password set to something secure. I'm just gonna set it to 1234. 1234, cool. That sets the actual root password for that account, not just for this one. Now we can add a user. User add -m -g user hyphen capital G wheel, and then your username. I'm just gonna call this one test. Group user does not exist. Users. Cool. Now pass WD and then your username test. I'm just gonna give this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Now you have to editor equals nano vi sudo by sudo. Now you want to scroll down here. This is for this one. You want to go to where you see wheel all equals all. Not the one with no password this time, because you need to enable your password before people can do stuff. Vi sudo, cool. Enter clear. Now we're going to actually set up grub. You want to do pacman dash capital S grub EFI root mgr DOS FS tools FS tools OS hyphen prober. You want to do like multi-boot or whatever, and then M tools enter target not found OS and boot boot enter. Cool. Now we can clear and we can do mk make dir slash boot slash EFI. That'll make then we can do grub hyphen install dash r. Okay, just a second. Target equals x86 underscore 64. That's me running up against clock EFI dash boot loader dash ID equals grub underscore UEFI dash re back. Okay. I'm gonna be back in just a second. I'm gonna hit enter. God damn it. X target equals x86 underscore 64 x86 dash target cannot find EFI directory. I just made it under mkdir boot EFI. Target bootloader. I'll be right back. I just need to Okay, I'm back. Let's see. Let me continue from where I was. Let's see. Grub-install. Oh wait, you need to mount. Mount / dev / sga vda1 or whatever your equivalent is to /boot /efi. Cool. Now I can run this. That'll install grub. Cool. Yeah. Cool. I really should have fixed that before I went. Okay, installation finished, no errors reported. So now we need to copy a file. So cp /usr /share /locale /en for me. You're gonna have to look up what yours is. I don't know. UUOT /LC messages / oh wait, no. Just /rub.mo /boot /efi. Wait, no, /boot /rub /locale /en.mo. Again, modify for yours. And then nano /etsy /default /rub. Yes. One second. Okay. So, as I was trying to continue to say, uncomment grub enable crypto disk. So press delete there. Grub enable crypto disk. Also, here you want to add 2 command line arguments. You want to add oh wait, no, you just want to add 1. Under, so you want to do cry crypt device equals /dev /vda3. Again, I'm going to assume you know to do that yourself. Vol group 0 colon allow allow hyphen discards allowed discards log level 3 quiet control crypt device /dev /vda. Yep, control X, Y, enter. That should work. Now you want to do grub -mk config grub make config -o for original file /boot /rub /rub.cfg. Cool. So that'll make your grub make. Now you want to do clear exit unmount -a. Yeah, correct that. Again, I'm a bit tired. Unmount -a, and now you can reboot. So yeah, you can now shut down, reboot, whatever. In the next part of this tutorial, we'll go over the rest of the setup. Yep. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, recommend this to other people. I'm just going to do shut down now. You can type reboot now, but yeah, I'm just going to shut this down. Viewer was disconnected. Cool. Close that. Why are you running? Shut down. Force off. I want you off. Cool. Okay. Bye. Cancels.